How to deactivate Facebook account? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first step is you need to open up your Facebook application on your device, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to deactivate. So once you log in, you'll be able to see the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to find out certain posts. So in order to deactivate, you need to first go to your account center. For that, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on settings option, which is right next to the search bar of the right upper section. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the account center. You have to simply tap on see more in account center option, and you'll be able to see all of the options over here. You have to go for personal details. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your personal details like contact information, your birthday, and other identity confirmation. At last, there is account ownership and control option, where you can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate, delete, or reactivate your accounts and profiles. You have to go for that. And here at the second option, there is deactivation or deletion option. You have to simply go for that, and you'll be opened up to this interface. Here are two options, deactivate account and delete account option. You have to choose for delete account. Here it is already selected deactivate account. Before that, you can read the descriptions under the deactivate account. Deactivating account is a temporary action, but also your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. Still, you will be able to use the messenger. And once you're done, you have to go for continue option. And before deactivating, you have to enter your password for your confirmation. If you forget your password, you can also go for forget password option, where you'll be able to reset your password, and once again you can follow the same step and deactivate your account. Once you enter the password, you can go for continue, and finally you'll be able to deactivate your account. So this is how you can deactivate Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any confusions during this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.